Hi, good morning. I'm Randy. I will assign a drawing session in behalf of Sarah. I do this one for my second tulin. As you can see, this figure out is a hazard for or when I throwing the roller cart. For example, this one. I will show you the example. Sometimes when I push this one, I cannot notice accidentally hit this box. This is our problem for this second toolin. I can show you to the next video. Thank you. Hey, good morning. I'm Randy Ambuyo. I will assign a drawing session. I can show you the contribute or improvement in our area. It's easily to identify to avoid hit the drawer box. I show you the improvement. When I push the roller cart, if I cannot notice the box, it's okay because the boundary line, which is easy to identify, the box is cannot hit. As you can see, this one when I push or back on the area, cannot hit the box due to about boundary line to attach. Okay, that's our improvement, and also identify it's to avoid to eliminate of damage of box. That's all. Thank you.